Well guys, trying to figure out this transmission leak here. As you can see, finally, after running for about 5 minutes, we get some leakage. See where it's going. What the hell is going on? Holy shnikes. That is not good. So, I'm guessing it's for the speedo cable. Let's see. What's this? That's an antenna. Where the hell is the... I don't know where the speedo cable is, but I'm guessing since the speedo's gone, I'm guessing that's what it was for, so maybe it's an easy fix. Just get a cover plate or something. Woo, she leaking, boys, she leaking. No wonder I'm burning so many quarts of transmission fluid.
We got Matt.
Hello.
He's on paint duty. What kind of paint did you buy?
The good shit, the Rust-Oleum.
And what else did you do in here?
Kind of patch the floor.
Yeah, that looks good.
And that's fine.
I mean, that's really good for being the age it's at and it not having that much rust inside, at least. Like, that's pretty rare. At least in my opinion. I don't know. Everything else is looking pretty good. We got the seats out. Front seats are over here. Well, I guess we'll show you when it's all painted up. Oh, Matt's crack's out. Matt's famous crack.
Yeah.
It's looking shiny. Dang. And then when is this thing gonna be like official?
What do you mean?
You told me something about Thursday?
Probably be running and driving and Thursday. Well, majority mechanically sound, yeah. There'll always be something to work on, but...
Alright. I gotta fix all the rust and paint it up and she should be golden. We'll see. Still a lot of work to be done, but we'll get through it. And I don't know. We'll see if I even take any videos of that because everything like that's pretty boring. So we'll figure it out. Until then, peace.